All right, so we got our design all done here. So our step one is, this is the part of the template that we're using. We're going to go into design. We're going to switch over to manufacture. And in manufacture, we're going to go into this different world where our toolbars all change. And we are ready to go with actually programming. I have already done the setups. We just have to do some reselection. So I'm going to open up this setup one and double click on the setup. And it's going to say this operation has missing references, which means what I did the setup on is gone. So do you want to close those selections? And we're going to hit yes. It doesn't really clear them. So where it says model right here, I'm going to hit X and I'm going to click on the model. So now I have this model selected. I want to just double check to make sure it says Axiom 24 by 24 up here. For my machine, if it doesn't, there's a little bit of work. You have to ask how to get that around. Then we got to deal with the origin. The origin on this, we want to start at the top of the surface because this is where we're going to touch off the machine on, meaning we're going to drive the tool bit or the bit to right here on this corner and say that's 0, 0. So we're going to go origin, stock box point, and we're going to pick this top corner, not the bottom corner that it was on. I'm going to pick the top corner here in the lower left corner. And that's how we're going to start this setup. So again, we'll switch over to the manufacturer tab, double clicked on the icon of setup 1, changed our stock point, or our work coordinate system to the stock point right there, 0, 0, and changed our model to this model. Go ahead, do that.